Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off sticky keys function in our Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this function and how to turn it off. So we need to go to settings, then we are looking for our accessibility options menu, and next interaction and dexterity. When we scroll to the bottom, we have sticky keys function. As you can see, now it is enabled. So what does it do exactly? We have short explanation here. When you press a modifier key like Shift, Ctrl or Alt, it will stay pressed so you can enter keyboard shortcuts one key at a time. Pretty useful, but when we don't need it, we can simply turn it off from this menu. And we can safely go back to our home screen. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.